Weather Service. Warning from the National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for waters from northerly island to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Little Neck Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 8:15 p.m. 7:04 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 15 nautical miles east of Little Neck Harbor to 9 nautical miles east of Harrison Beaver, Crib to 59th Street, Marina to 6 nautical miles southwest of Midway Airport, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Severe thunderstorms will be near Calumet Harbor, Jackson Park Harbor, and Hammond Marina around 7:10 p.m. Indiana Harbor around 7:15 p.m. Burns Harbor and Marina Shores at Dune Harbor around 7:40 p.m. Michigan City around 7:45 p.m. This is NOAA Weather Radio.